Today, I'm going to run you through how to get the very best from your few and far 100% Aussie beef burger patty. Firstly, make sure your patties are completely defrosted before you start to prep them. Now, because these patties are 100% beef, you need to season them like you would a steak. Lightly drizzle with vegetable oil and season it with salt and optionally pepper. On a hot grill, we recommend you use the 3-4-1 method. So you cook it on one side for 3 minutes, you flip it and cook it for 4 minutes, and then you flip it once again and you cook it for a further minute. And this last minute is an excellent time to add some cheese to the equation. And once it's cooked just like a steak, we recommend you rest it for at least 2 minutes for all those juices to stay in there. Now all you gotta do is simply build your burger. Now I'm a lettuce on the bottom type of guy, but we're all different, so do as you want. And there you go, a delicious, juicy burger with no allergens, no nasties, and 100% Aussie beef. How good?